Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix dictation not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So here are some tips and tricks, so you have to follow all of these, so hopefully one of them will fix your problem as well. So for the first method, what you need to do is just simply open settings. Now from here you have to tap on screen time. Now scroll it down, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on allowed apps. And what you have to do is just simply make sure that if this toggle is turned on, Siri and dictations. If this toggle is turned on, so you have to turn off at least for the 30 seconds and then turn it on again. Then go back from here. Now what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, and from here you have to tap on keyboard. Now from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it on, and from here make sure that if this toggle is turned on, enable dictations. So you have to turn on this toggle. If this toggle is turned off, so you have to turn it on. And after that what you need to do is just simply make sure that if your problem is fixed or not. And once you see it, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and from here you have to scroll it on, tap on general. Now from here tap on software update and make sure that you don't have any pending update on your device. If you have, then you have to update your device to the latest version. And after that what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it on, tap on Siri and search, and from here you have to turn the toggle on for all of these. If these toggle is turned on, so you have to turn off allow Siri when locked, and then you have to turn it on again. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply close this page, and from here you have to open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way. Now tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. So from here you have to reset network setting. Now tap on reset network setting. This will reset all network setting, returning them to factory default, and then you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.